This is a new 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, memory seats, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.